write a Java program to sort for an element in a given list of elements using the bubble sort here. Yes, by using the bubble sort, we have to sort the array elements. Right, before this one here, first of all, I'll explain the algorithm of the bubble sort here. The bubble sort is a simple sorting algorithm. This is a very simple sorting algorithm that repeatedly steps through the list here and compares the adjacent cells. It is doing the comparison of adjacent cells, means side by cells here, and swaps them if they are in the wrong order. Otherwise, they can be in the same order only. This process repeat until the list is sorted here. Right, see this one here. These are the steps of the bubble sort here. The first one is compare the first two elements here. We are comparing the first two elements here. Right, in this point of view, if the first value is greater than the second value here, then swap them. Okay, whenever the first value is greater than second value, then do the swap operation. Move to the next pair here. Means we are moving to the next pair here and we are repeating the same process. Means in the next pair, if the first value is greater than second value, then do the swap operation. Otherwise, they can provide the same as it is only. After the first pass, the largest element bubbles to the end of the list here. Means once the pass one is completed, the highest value in the array that will be shifted at the ending here. And we are repeating the above process here. We are repeating these steps here until all the elements will be sorted here. Right, come this one here. I give one simple example here. Here these are the elements are there 5, 1, 6, 2, 4, 3. Okay. These are the elements are there. First we are taking the first two elements here. These are the first two elements are there. 5 and 1. Okay. The 5 is greater than 1. Whenever the first value is greater than second value, then do the swap operation. Swap is nothing but the 1 will be shifted into this place. The 5 is shifted in the next place here, like this one. Okay. The 1 will be shifted like this one. 1, 5. 1, 5. After that, 6, 2, 4 and 3. The remaining 500 same as it is. Okay. Next after that, the 5 is compared with the 6 here. Here these two like this one here. The 5 is compared with the 6 here. The 5 is less than 6. Whenever the 5 is less than 6 here, there is no need of the swap operation. Why? Because the second value is the highest value. Let's come to the third one here. 6 is greater than 2. Yes, the condition is true. Then do the interchange operation. The 2 is shifted in this place. 6 will shift into this place. Like this one. 1, 5, 2, 6, 4, 3. Next, 6 and 4 here. The 6 is greater than 4. Now, the 6 is pointed in this place. The 4 is shifted in this place here. Means 1, 5, 2, 4, 6 and 3 here. Next, these two elements will compare here. 6 and 3. Here, the 6 is the highest value when compared to 3 here. It is shifted to the ending here. Once the pass one is completed, the highest value will be at the ending. Okay. What is the highest value here? 6. The 6 will be set at the ending here. Here, this is called as a pass number 1. During the pass 1, we are finding the first highest value. Next, during the pass 2, the second highest value will be set at the ending here. During the pass number 3, the third highest value will be set at the ending here. Here, whenever there are the n elements are there, we are having the n minus 1 passes. Whenever there are n elements are there, we are having the n minus 1 passes. Okay. Here, in each and every pass, how many steps are there? The number of steps are nothing but here the number of steps are nothing but the first pass contains the n minus 1 steps. Second pass contains the n minus 2 steps. Okay. See this one here. If there are n elements are there, here the total number of passes are the pass 1, pass 1, pass 2, pass 2, pass 3 and so on, pass n here, pass n. In the first pass, in the pass number 1, the number of steps are n minus 1, second pass n minus 2, third pass n minus 3 and so on. The last pass contains only one step only. When I am attaching all these things, n minus 1 plus n minus 2 plus and so on plus 1, that is nothing but n minus 1 into n by 2. That is nothing but n square minus n by 2. Means n square, order of n square. The time complexity of the bubble sort is the order of n square. Right, come to the code point of view. See the code here. The writing of the code is a very simple one. First of all, I am taking the public class. The class name is the bubble sort here. Next, I am declaring the variables like this. So, integer n comma I comma j comma x here. N stands for number of elements, and the ij are the loop control variables here. X is a temporary variable. Scanner is equals to new scan system.in. First of all, I have written the scanner class object. The object name is sc here. System.out.print enter number of elements. I am asking the user enter the number of elements here. N equals to sc.nextIn. Assume here I give in value as a 4. Means we are reading the 4 elements from the user. Next, integer a equals to new integer of n. What is n value? 4. Means now the array a size is 4 elements. Now the array size is the 4 elements, means it is accepting the 4 elements are there. Next after that, system.out.print enter elements. We are asking the user, please enter these elements here. For this purpose, for I equals to 0, I is less than n, I plus 1. Initially, the I value is 0. I value is 0. I is less than n. What is the current n value? 4. 0 is less than 4. The condition is true. And the condition is true, the body will be executed. E of I equals to sc dot next end. We are reading a value from the user that is stored in the E of I place. Assume I give the value as a 5 here. The file is stored in this place. After that, increment the I value. Now the I value becomes as 1. Take this condition. 1 is less than 4. The condition is true. Again, the body will be executed. E of I equals to sc dot next end. Assume I give the value as a 7 here. The 7 will be stored in the E of 1 place. After that, increment the I value. Now the I value becomes as 2. I value becomes as 2. 2 is less than 4. Yes, the condition is true. Again, the body will be executed. E of I equals to sc dot next end. Assume I give the value as a 8 here. This value is stored in this place. Okay. After that, increment the I value. Now the I value becomes as 3. 3 is less than 4. Yes, the condition is true. Again, the body will be executed. E of I equals to sc dot next end. Assume I give the value as a 4. This will be stored in this place. Okay. After that, I value becomes as 4. 4 is less than 4. The condition is false. Means the main purpose of this for loop is to read the array elements. To read the array elements, we are using this for loop here. After that, I have this for loop variation. For I equals to 0, I is less than n minus 1, I plus plus. Here the given array elements means what are the elements we have entered here. The elements are the 5, 7, 8, 4. 5, 7, 8 and 4. 0, 1, 2, 3. This is the array. For integer I equals to 0, initial I value is 0. I is less than n minus 1. 0 is less than n minus 1. The n value is a 4. 4 minus 1, 3. After that, 0 is less than 3. The condition is true. The body will be executed. For j equals to 0, initially j value is 0. After that, j is less than n minus 1 minus 0 is less than n minus 1. 4. 4 minus 0, 4 only. 4 minus 1, 3. 0 is less than 3. Yes, the condition is true. Again, the body will be executed. If E of j is greater than E of j plus 1. What is the current j value? 0. E of 0 is greater than E of 0 plus 1. What is E of 0 value? 5. 5 is greater than 7. False. This will not be executed. After that, increment the j value. Now the j value becomes as 1. 1 is less than 3. The condition is true. When the condition is true, the body will be executed. If E of j is greater than E of j plus 1. The current j value is 1. E of 1. What is E of 1 value? 7. 7 is greater than 8. False. This will not be executed. After that, increment the j value. Now the j value becomes as 2. 2 is less than 3. The condition is true. The body will be executed. If E of j is greater than E of j plus 1. The current j value is 2 here. E of 2. 8. 8 is greater than 4. Yes, the condition is true. And the condition is true. This code is executed. What is this code here? It is doing the swap operation. Means the 4 will be shifted into this place and the 8 will be shifted into this place. After that, increment the j value. Now the j value becomes as 3. 3 is less than 3. False. And the condition is false outside. With this, the pass 1 is completed. After the pass number 1, what is highest value here? 8. 8 is entered the ending here. Next after that, increment the I value. Now the I value becomes as 1. Here, again do this process here. For integer j equals 0. Initially j value is 0. J is less than n minus 1 minus I. What is the current j value? The current j value is a 0. 0 is less than 2. 0 is less than 2. The condition is true. And the condition is again the body will execute it. If E of j is greater than E of j plus 1. What is E of j value? 0. E of 0. 5 is greater than 7. False. Next, increment the j value. J value becomes as 1. 1 is less than 2. Yes, the condition is true. Again, the body is executed. E of j is greater than E of j plus 1. Means E of j means E of 1 is greater than 2. 7 is greater than 4. False. So the condition is true. The body will execute it. Means the 4 will be shifted into this place. The 7 is shifted into this place. Okay. After that, increment the j value 2. 2 is less than 2. False. And the condition is false outside. With the second pass is completed. After the second pass, what are the elements are there? 5, 4, 7, 8 here. After that, increment the I value. Now the I value becomes as 2. 2 is less than 3. Yes, the condition is true. Again, the body will be executed. Come to for loop here, internal for loop here. For j equals to 0.